What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Lene, and y'all see the bonnet. When I got the bonnet on, I'm bringing y'all some hair content. So I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday and clipped my ends, and I want to try some like big, kind of big-ish, like medium braids on my hair with some beads. Just on my hair, no hair added. Hopefully it comes out cute. Hopefully, what am I talking about? Hopefully it comes out cute, but I really don't know what to expect. I think the beads will make it cute, and I'm gonna do black beads. But yeah, so if you like to see these medium, knotless, no hair added braids, they might be large while I'm playing, because I'm not trying to do them too small. I'm trying to do something quick. But if you want to see that, stay tuned, because we're gonna get into it, baby. I'm starting on freshly washed and blow dried hair and trimmed. If you guys want to see that process of how I blew out my hair and trimmed it, you can see that in the previous video. So I'll be just starting on the back of my hair, and I'm just going through it and brushing it out. And as you can see, I have a bunch of hair, and while I am sectioning off the back and parting it, y'all, I'm not looking at anything. Like, I just trust it. Like, I just let it make it do what it do and go from ear to ear. And if it don't look right, oh well. I'm not fixing it. I don't know what to tell you, because I'm not fixing it. But really, everything that I'm doing is self-explanatory. But like, when I get to the front, you know, I really didn't know what I wanted to do in the front. But in the back, I know I wanted to do like a box braid type of vibe, or whatever the case may be. So I'm really not even going to do too much talking, because you guys can see what I'm doing, and it's pointless to just be talking to y'all unless y'all want to hear me, okay? Because if y'all want to hear me, then I'll keep talking to you, okay? But what I will say, it is very important to use Style and Jam, the jam that I showed you guys, to get a very sleek look when you're doing any type of braids, or just, you know, you want it to be sleek but not like flaky. The Shining Jam doesn't cause flakes, and that's what I love about it. Comment down below if you think I should try this hairstyle with weave added. So let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to get more engagement. I want to see y'all in the comments. So let me know something in the comments. And I'm not even gonna talk anymore in this video. Y'all can just watch me do what I do. Braid my hair and put some little beads on it, and tell me how y'all like it. after, I don't know, I think I started around 2 o'clock. It's about to be 4 o'clock. So about after 2 hours, I am on my last one. On the last one. Hopefully this lasts me for